Hi, morning. So we are starting off with another hair transformation today. We are performing in Artas Robotic Hair Restoration on this young guy. Where are you from?
I'm from Australia, Melbourne.
Melbourne, yes. And he is at an advanced stage of genetic hair loss. Yes, he is 35.
Yes, sir.
35 years. And if you look down, what happened is, so he's got a really good mastering face, but you just can't appreciate that face because of the asymmetry which is caused out here. Yes. So this one third of the face has really gone more in size compared to the rest of the face, and that is exactly what we're going to bring down today. We're going to advance his hairline in the front, yes, almost to 2.5 centimeters, and then increase the density all the way till the vertex and the crown area. So that's the plan in this case today. You excited?
Yes, I am.
Yes.
Looking so low.